Now this is a really fun experiment, and what you're going to need to do it is 1 candle, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a cup of vinegar, a sheet of paper, a plastic bottle and some matches. What you need to do first of all is roll your paper up into a cone shape. Then place your cone into the top of your plastic bottle and pour in the baking soda. Be careful not to spill any. Brilliant. Once you've done that and you're sure all the baking soda is inside the bottle, take the cone out and pour in your vinegar. You'll see bubbles start to form inside the bottle. Then, take your candle and light it. Tilt it towards the candle. Get ready kids, because this is amazing. You'll see the flame goes out all by itself. Wow, isn't that cool? It's just like magic. This happens because the carbon dioxide is heavier than the rest of the air inside the bottle, so that when you tilt it, the carbon dioxide comes out first and puts out the flame. This is because flames need oxygen to burn.